It's the balloon. What?
We're already recording.
Why didn't you tell me that? Hello, everybody. It's Steve Spangler. Guess what? Hot off the press. You'll never guess what's happening. Yes, you're right. Frog Street's happening. Look at this. The Frog Street Splash Conference is happening this year, kind of like it happens every year. But these are the educators. These are the speakers. They pull together the best and the brightest, including you, to come to the conference July 20th through the 22nd. You know where it's going to be. Pop quiz. Where? That's right. The Gaylord, the Texan Gaylord, that amazing property. They basically just take over the whole place. You know the Frog Street people. They're wild, they're crazy, they're focused on making you the best early childhood educator possible. Why they picked me, I have no idea, but guess what? I get to do 2 make and take sessions, so I'm excited to be able to see you. That's right, I got a box for you here from all the Steve Spangler science stuff. You'll be doing potions and test tubes and color changing things and things that are flying around the room. We're talking about how to get kids excited about STEM. Little Sprouts, STEM for Little Sprouts. It's all going to happen. If you want to attend, you're going to need to go to frogstreet.com/splash-2023. Look at that. It's right there on the street. frogstreet.com/splash-2023. Say that 50 times quickly and you will be well on your way. Get registered now. Get your hotel room. Take your vitamins. You're going to be in the presence of some amazing things that are going to happen this year. You'll be a better teacher because you attended this year. I'll see you at Splash 2023. Higgins, next time tell me when the camera's on, okay?
I did.
I'll see you there.